So we're just gonna wait for the fire truck to go by and then I can finish. Y'all know how New York is. Pray that everyone's okay though. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This time it's going to be a review on some hair that I received from a company called KBETH hair. Shout out to you guys. You guys have amazing customer service. But before I get into that, I just want to let you guys in on a couple of things that's been going on. I did have my daughter 9/20/2018. She is 2 months and 3 days old. It is Thanksgiving night. Everyone is asleep. Everyone left. If you hear little noises, it's her sleeping in her crib right now. And so it has been a while since I recorded a video. This is the first video I recorded since giving birth. And I know the last video that I posted here was a month ago. So mom life has taken over my filming time. She doesn't really sleep throughout the night, and I'm always up with her because my husband has to go to work. So I'm always up with her and I can't really find time to film, but I took this opportunity right now, being that both my children are asleep and my husband is on his way home from work. So I have to do this pretty darn quick. So I do have to film this video and get it out pretty quick. So it's been some time, so I want to tell you guys about this hair. So this video, I'm going to tell you off the bat, is going to be a long one. I'm going to be talking. If you don't want to listen, I mean, you can skip through. I don't really want anyone in the comments trying to say, oh, this video is long, whatever. I'm telling you now, disclaimer. Okay? Disclaimer. So what I did was I wrote everything down in my notes, so I will be reading off of here. I will be reading off of my notes and my phone, so if it does seem like I'm reading, I really am. I wrote everything down on my phone because I don't want to leave anything out. So at KBETH, they contacted me on doing a review for their hair. Of course, I agreed. Who's going to turn that down? So I agreed to review the hair. They did send me 20, 22, 24-inch bundles, and the hair is 8A grade hair. It is a 1B natural black, 300 grams. They did include a pink measuring tape, which you guys are going to see later on in the video. And when I did construct the wig, I did double and single tracks because I wasn't able to fit all of the hair on, and I really wanted to fit all of the hair. So but when they made the tracks, they did use a machine. It is machine wefted, and the hair is double tracked. So you are getting thick bundles when you receive the hair. So I want to get into pros of the hair. The hair has a no shedding, no tangles. It is super affordable. I am all about cheap. As long as it's cheap and it's cute, girl, it is me. I am on it. I'm on it all the way. This hair is super affordable for my girls that are in college, or girls like me that have children, and you know, your money goes to your children, not really on you, but when you want to look cute, you can. This hair costs $89. Where can you get hair that's $89? 20, 22, 24 inches? Nowhere. And if you get 22, 24, 26 inches, $98. Where else are you gonna get that? And this hair is so great. Okay, let me finish. Because they are on Amazon and I do have Prime, I get free shipping, and this hair came in 3 days. If I order it right now, it's going to come on Friday, guaranteed by Saturday. And it's Thursday. It's Thursday right now. It's going to come to you super quick. So if you have anything to do on the weekend or a Sunday, or if you need it by next week, girl, your hair is going to be at your doorstep in 3 days. You cannot beat that with a stick, honey. The hair is Remy virgin hair. you can comb easily through the hair. I can run my fingers through. No issues, no problems with that. And on Amazon, the reviews have 5 out of 5 stars. So it's like you're going on AliExpress, you have to comb through 1,001 hair vendors or hair companies, and you're wondering, should I purchase from this company, or should I just look at the reviews? Should I look at the reviews on YouTube? And then you don't know if all the reviews are legible from actual people, or if it's like the company just writing reviews. No, these reviews on Amazon, 5 out of 5 stars. Like, this hair is just perfect. So you can dye the hair. I opted to keep it its natural color. I did want some black hair. I'm holding it up to the ring light and it is coming off a bit brown. Do not mind my nails. Do not mind my nails, but it's coming off as brown, like a dark natural brown. But if you're inside, or if you're looking at this right now, it does come off as black, which is what I wanted, because I'm just tired of these hair companies having this natural brown hair and it looks super brown. Like, I could be sitting here in the house, no sun, and it looks brown. Don't like that. That is on the bundles. They only sent me bundles. We didn't have a conversation about them sending me a frontal. I don't know why I didn't think about it, but when these companies contact me, I always ask for a frontal with bundles, but I don't know. I didn't receive a frontal from them. So when I got the hair, I did have to look on Amazon through my list because I save things, and I did order a frontal from a company, and the company is called Bayao Hair, or Bayao Hair, B-A-I-Y-A-O Hair. It is a 13x4 frontal. It is Peruvian 9A hair. It's also in a well, this is a natural brown. The bundles are natural black, but you can't even tell the difference. And I did get a 14-inch. So what I like to do is have my front a little, as you can see, a little tapered compared to the bundles, because I do want, you know, like a nice little flip thing going on, like how I have that right there. I like to have a little flip, but I like to have my bundles pretty darn long. And I just ordered a 14-inch. So I did have to bleach the knots. I used 40 volume developer with the BW bleach. I usually get the, oh, here it is. I usually get the big, well, this one that's bigger than this. To me, this is big. I mean, it's smaller than the size of my hand, but you get a lot of bleach inside. So I use this with 40 volume developer, and I use the liquid, not the cream. So that's what I did for the knots. The pros that I have for this frontal is that there's no shedding, no tangles. There was no smell when I received the hair. It is a very soft, very smooth, and as you can see, my frontal is laying down. I did have to use the, well, I didn't have to, I just wanted to for my own reasons. I did use the comb, the hot comb, and I do have an electric one, so I just use it right here at my vanity. And I did flatten down the top, but when I constructed the wig myself, this is a constructed wig that I did myself. Everything came separate. When I made it, I made sure that I did everything so it could be completely flat on my head. I can't stand a straight wig and it's just like a hump here, a hump there. Like, I did the damn thing when I constructed this wig. There are some cons to this frontal. It's not anything major. I could probably do without saying the cons that I have. It does have flyaways. Of course you can't see, and they're long flyaways. They're probably about maybe 2-3 inches of flyaways, and you can just use the Care wax stick. I can't find mine, so I did use some of the Gots to Be and just spray. Like what I do is I spray it in the air and I let it fall, so it's not like too crusty, too hard. Like, you know how Gots to Be is. So I just spray it in the air far away, and then I just let it settle, and then I just smooth it down, and I'm good for the rest of the day. So the flyaways aren't bad. It's nothing crazy, nothing that you have to cut. Like, it's not even that deep. I do want to say about the hairline. The hairline, when it came to me, it was a scalloped frontal. When I say scallop, I mean like it was like scalloped, and it was a pretty harsh line, and honestly it was super easy to pluck. I do pluck my frontals dry. I don't pluck them wet. I just don't see a difference. But I do know for sure that when hair is at its weakest point, it's when it's wet. So when you are plucking your knots or plucking your frontal closure and your hair is wet, you are taking off more hair probably than what you need. So you can over pluck very easily when you have the hair damp or have the hair wet. So you have to really know what you're doing, and I am no professional in no kind of way. So I just prefer, and I'm more comfortable with plucking my frontals or closures, preferably frontals, with them dry. I have spoken about my tweezers from Sally's that I get. They're right at the register, and I got these. They were having like a little sale promotion thing. I don't know if it's like all the time they have it, but it was like 99 cents, or you buy, because I got 3. You buy 3 and get something. I don't know. It was just really dirt cheap, and I was like, you can never go wrong with tweezers. But I was thinking about using the tweezers for my lashes, which I do. It's in my lash drawer right now. But I also use those tweezers to pluck my frontals, and these are great tweezers. Like, they grab just the right amount of hair, and it doesn't take off too much. They're very sturdy and very cheap. So don't go to the drugstore anymore and get those silver tweezers. Go to Sally's while you're picking up all the supplies for your hair and get them for dirt cheap. They're perfect. So as far as the frontal goes, you can dye the frontal, you can perm and curl and straighten the frontal, and I did want to include that because the frontal was a body wave, and when it came, it was a super pretty body wave. Body wave is like my go-to curl pattern or hair pattern that I get whenever I do my hair. I rarely do straight hair, but I'm just over the whole curl thing. So I was like, let me just get some straight hair. It's been a while, long time, and I don't know, I wasn't thinking when I ordered the frontal, I wasn't thinking of straight or wavy. I wasn't thinking of that, but when I got the hair and I saw it was wavy, I ran my fingers through, everything was fine. I put the flat iron to the hair and it went super straight. I was super happy. When I tell you, it just blends. Like, you would think I got this all from the same hair company, like, and it is a true 14. This hair stays super straight. I've been wearing this hair for about a week, and I only straightened it one time. I mean, it's straight hair, it'll stay straight, right? But I haven't had to go over it. There's no bumps or anything, and I do want to point out that there's no bumps because I am taking this wig on and off. So after this video, it's going to go right on my mannequin head right here, and it's going to stay until the next time I have to go out the door. So that is really what I prefer. I don't like having to Gots to Be down my hair and I'm sleeping on it, because majority of the time I'm in the house because I'm here with the kids and my husband works. So I don't really want to be laying on my hair, the Gots to Be, and I'm not going anywhere. So I did want to construct a wig for myself that I can take on and off, and I did the damn thing. If you guys want to see a video on how I construct a wig that you can take on and off with no Gots to Be, just let me know in the comments section down below, and I'll be sure to do that as a future video. And it was super easy. This is my first time doing it, and I really had no issues. And I guess I had no issues because I have made plenty of wigs in the past, so I kind of knew what I was doing, but I did go to YouTube videos to refer to how to do it. It's super easy. So I do have my InStyler flat iron that I got from BeautyCon one year. This was a free flat iron. I believe it's $100 and some odd dollars. They did give it to me for free, so I'm just going to turn that on, and we are going to curl this hair and see if the Bundles by KBETH curl. So we're going to check that out. In the meantime, I'm going to get the pink little tape measure that they sent me for free, and we are going to measure this hair and see if it's really true 24 inches. So this is the little tape measure that they sent me. It's a 60-inch tape measure, and I'm actually very surprised that they sent me this because it's very durable. It's of material, quality material. It's thick, it's not going anywhere. So this is actually pretty good to do your wig. So I'm actually happy that they sent this to me. So we are going to measure the hair the best way that I can and see if it's a true 24. So what I'm going to do now is measure from the last track. Okay, I'm going to measure from the last track. I'm getting 24 inches, guys. I'm getting 24 inches. Let's do it again. So I'm measuring from my first track, which is at the nape of my neck, pulling the hair down right here. Okay, this is where I'm getting exactly 24 inches. No lie, you guys saw it right here. So I just want to comb through this hair. I mean, look at this. No tangles, no shedding. Okay, so I do want to show you guys how the hair curls. Just gonna start curling the hair. Let's see how she does. Wow. Look at this curl. Look at this bounce. And I can tell just by looking at this curl by how tight it is and how bouncy it is, it's gonna last. Even without spraying Sebastian Shaper, it's going to last. Alright, but honestly, I probably would maybe once or twice wear my hair with a curl on the end, being that I did buy some straight hair, and if I wanted curly hair, I would take out my body wave wig and just plop some curls in it. But you know, sometimes you just want a nice little curl on the end. So, and what I love about this flat iron is that it comes with a comb, so I don't have to chase it. So I hope you guys like this review on KBETH hair, and I hope you guys go to their Amazon. I'm going to leave all the links in the description bar down below so you guys can go ahead and get your cheapo hair. Alright, don't forget who hooked you up, your girl Koi. Alright, so I want to thank you guys for watching and sticking with me through this video. I know I talked my behind off, but you guys are loyal, true subscribers. So once again, thank you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.